Alluri Sitaram Raju, the untold story of a revolutionary leader. Alluri Sitaram Raju, often referred to as Manyam Veerudu, hero of the jungle, is a revered figure in the annals of Indian freedom struggle. His relentless fight against British colonial rule in the tribal regions of Andhra Pradesh, particularly through the Ramp Rebellion, marks him as a legendary freedom fighter. This article delves into the life, revolutionary activities, and enduring legacy of Alluri Sitaram Raju. Early life and background. Alluri Sitaram Raju was born on July 4, 1897, in Pandrangi village, Vishakhapatnam district of Andhra Pradesh. He hailed from a well-off and educated family, with his father, Venkat Rama Raju, being a professional photographer. Despite his relatively privileged background, Sitaram Raju developed a deep empathy for the plight of the tribal communities under British oppression. Raju's early education was sporadic due to family relocations, but he was known for his keen intellect and adventurous spirit. His formative years were influenced by the stories of the freedom struggle and the suffering of the tribal people, sowing the seeds of his future revolutionary activities. Inspiration and ideology. The turning point in Sitaram Raju's life came when he witnessed the exploitation and injustice faced by the tribal communities at the hands of British officials and forest contractors. The imposition of unjust laws, such as the Forest Act, severely restricted the tribals' traditional rights to their land and resources. This exploitation, coupled with his exposure to the broader nationalistic movements, inspired Raju to take up arms against the British. Drawing inspiration from the likes of the Rani of Jhansi and other Indian revolutionaries, Raju believed in direct action and armed resistance as the means to achieve freedom. He was also deeply influenced by the spiritual and nationalist teachings of figures like Swami Vivekananda. The Ramp Rebellion, also known as the Manyam Rebellion, spearheaded by Alluri Sitaram Raju, is one of the most significant episodes of tribal resistance against British colonial rule. The rebellion, which took place between 1922 and 1924, was characterized by guerrilla warfare tactics, with Raju and his band of tribal warriors attacking police stations, seizing arms, and disrupting the British administration. Raju's deep understanding of the forest terrain and his ability to mobilize the tribal people were crucial to the initial successes of the rebellion. The movement garnered significant support from the local population, who viewed Raju as a liberator and protector of their rights. His leadership and strategic acumen earned him the moniker Manyam Veerudu. Capture and martyrdom. The Ramp Rebellion eventually drew the full force of the British military might. Despite facing overwhelming odds, Raju and his followers continued their resistance. However, the British intensified their efforts, employing sophisticated tactics and intelligence networks to quash the rebellion. On May 7, 1924, Alluri Sitaram Raju was captured by the British forces. He was brutally tortured and executed by firing squad, marking the end of a fierce chapter of resistance. Raju's martyrdom at the young age of 27 immortalized him as a symbol of valor and sacrifice in the struggle for India's independence. Legacy and commemoration. Alluri Sitaram Raju's legacy is enshrined in the annals of Indian history as a testament to the spirit of resistance and the fight for justice. His life and sacrifices have inspired generations of freedom fighters and continue to be celebrated in Andhra Pradesh and beyond. Several monuments, institutions, and public spaces have been named in his honor, including the Alluri Sitaram Raju University of Veterinary Sciences in Andhra Pradesh. His story has been depicted in various cultural forms, including literature, cinema, and folk art, ensuring that his contributions are remembered and revered. Conclusion. Alluri Sitaram Raju's indomitable spirit and unwavering commitment to the cause of freedom embody the essence of India's struggle against colonial oppression. His leadership during the Ramp Rebellion and his ultimate sacrifice serve as enduring reminders of the power of grassroots resistance and the heroism of those who fought for India's independence. As the nation continues to celebrate its hard-won freedom, the legacy of Alluri Sitaram Raju remains a beacon of inspiration for all who cherish justice, liberty, and human dignity.